Hi friends, I'm Luca Storelli and I'm proud to present a new masterclass, Mastering Artificial Intelligence with Midjourney and Magnific AI. The age of artificial intelligence has begun and now we have the chance to change our creative work by making something incredible. I am a high-level photographer and retouching educator, and I work with artificial intelligence just like a photographer. Today it's really easy to create a good image with artificial intelligence, but what really makes the difference is the strategy, the working mindset. Do you want some tips? Yes, from now we can work in Midjourney only, so everything is more intuitive and easy. Let's create a prompt. In the setting area we can find everything we need to refine our work. And go! Images are ready. Wow! Beautiful! Did you know that we can now choose a reference image to color our work? In Midjourney, it's very simple. Let's copy the prompt. Once we find an image that we like for colors, we just drag it into the settings area and select the reference image icon. Midjourney will apply the colors of the reference image to our photo. The results will be amazing. Check it out! I will show you the secrets of creating consistent characters, how to create real images, and the best tools to upscale your work by adding extraordinary details to the scene. You will learn how to edit the backgrounds of your images, how to change lighting and effects, and how to transfer a style you like from one image to another. The results will be amazing and your photos will look like real pictures. Your creativity will be stimulated, making you more creative than ever, giving you the opportunity to create whatever you like the best. I will show you my entire workflow starting from scratch and going through different software, Midjourney, Topaz Gigapixel, Magnific AI, and finally Photoshop. I will show you the basic retouching routine to finalize your images for magazines. Your workflow will never be the same again if you know the rules of creative retouching. Are you ready to start the journey with me?